So today I'm going to talk about the Dow theory. Dow theory is introduced by the Charles Dow. So according to this theory, mainly it focused on price movements and accordingly it explained the theory. So here, when we go with the Dow theory, there are 6 components for the Dow theory. They are like no individual buyer can influence the market trend. And next is like market discounts everything. So when he's selling market discounts everything, what he's selling is like whatever information or is there that will be reflected in the share price. For example, if a company is going at loss, you look at the share price, you will understand that because share price also will be decreasing. And next is indices must conform each other. So here he is telling at least 2 index it should match. For example, there is a bank index and there is a IT index. If both the index are at the same time showing an upward trend, then only we can tell that it is an upward trend. If one index is showing an upward trend and another index is showing a downward trend, then we cannot confirm the trend. And next is volume must confirm the trend. So, suppose we are telling the price is increasing, then there should be an adequate number of shares traded. Then only we can tell that. Otherwise, if volume is very less, then we cannot tell that the trend is happening. And next is trend persists until a clear reversal occurs. So, for example, one trend may last from 1 year to 3 years. Sometimes there will be small, a daily fluctuations, and based on that, we cannot tell that it is a trend reversal. Even the reversal should last at least 1 year. Then only we can tell that there is a trend reversal. And next is the Dow theory trends. There are 3 trends: primary trend, secondary trend, and minor trend. So this primary trend is the longest trend. It may last at least 1 to 3 years. Secondary trend is a correction trend to the primary trend. This is going to last from 3 weeks to 3 months. Minor trend is the daily fluctuation. So it may last at least 1 week. And again, it is a correction to the secondary trend. So if primary trend is upward, secondary trend is a downward movement, minor trend is again, it is an upward movement. And next is like there are three primary kinds of market trends in the primary market. So one is like under the bullish market, and next is the bearish market. So in bullish market, it starts with the accumulation phase where the smart investors purchase the shares, and next it will go with the public participation where more number of the people are purchasing, and in the excess phase where everyone is purchasing. The bearish trend, there is a distribution phase where the smart investors are selling, and next is the public participation phase. More people are selling, and in the panic phase where the share everyone is selling their shares. So these are the 3 primary kinds of market trends. Thank you.